Today's video I will be installing this LuvmeHair headband wig. There's no lace on this wig, so this is how it comes in the package. This has some highlighted colors in it. I don't know if you can see it, but and then there's just this headband which has adjustable straps on it, and then it has clips inside the wig. I think it has 4 different clips. Yeah, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back. Send you a headband. It's cute. Let's try to install this now. Just gonna strap the headband in the back. So you can either just put it on like this, which not that bad if you just want to be on the go. And then let's see me with this headband that they sent. There's absolutely no lace on this wig. This is it. The hair is soft. If you do want a headband wig, just go to LuvmeHair.com.